In this video, I'll try to fix the faulty wiring in my Strat copy with only half an hour to go before I need it to teach a guitar lesson to one of my students. Let's go!
If you like it, I think you should press like.
I'm Alistair Pope, welcome to my channel. There's nearly 400 lessons on here. If this is your first time here and you want to improve your guitar playing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything.
If you like it, why not share it with your friends?
I have a guitar lesson to teach one-to-one on Skype at 2 p.m. today, and the time right now is 1:23. So I've got 37 minutes. None of my electric guitars are working. So this one I was using to teach yesterday, and sometimes it's a bit crackly and sometimes the sound disappears, but now I cannot get a single sound out of it. My Fender Strat has had a short circuit for a little while. It's been on the to-do list for far too long to get that mended. And as if two problems like that were not enough, I'm not using my beautiful Fender Deluxe Hot Rod amp at the moment because all the tubes need replacing. There'll be another video about that soon. And while we're listing things that need to be sorted out, I'm only halfway through restringing this, I was about to say banjo. It's not a banjo. What is it? It's a mandolin. I'm only halfway through restringing this mandolin. So, can I fix this guitar in 26 minutes and be on time for my lesson? Let's find out.
If you like it and you want more, you should hit subscribe.
Okay, it's taken me a while to gather the tools together, so I got 24 minutes left. Here we go. Yes, right screwdriver. Yes, first of all I'm going to take off the whatever this thing is called, where you plug the guitar in. Where you plug the guitar in? Where you plug the lead into the guitar. Okay, straight away we have a big problem. We have one wire which is no longer connected at all, that's the white wire there, and the black wire which is hanging really loose, like it's got one thread still attached, if you can call them threads. On to the bit that I dread, because I've only done it once in my life and I found it really difficult. The soldering. Okay, that is warming up, that's good. Haven't used it in years. Here's the good wire cutters. I think I'm going to need to clip this off completely. Aha! That work? Ooh, smoky. This wire to want to attach to it. This is the thing I found so incredibly hard last time I tried this. Partly because the guitar is so goddamn slippery. Metal thing on a slidey thing, it's not really working. Where's my blue tack? What time have we got? 11 minutes. Okay, we have blue tack's less famous cousin, grey tack. Use it to stick. That's going to keep still for me now, isn't it? Oh yeah. Goodness, that is actually properly soldered. Oh my goodness, amazing. Okay, in that case, great. Let's move on and see if we can do the same with this white wire here. Try and snip a bit of plastic off this. Yes, nice. Can I hold this and the wire at the same time? Probably not. Thingammy, what do we call it? Ah. Is it attached? Is it attached? They are both attached. Oh my goodness. before I screw it back into place, what I want to do is really tighten this bad boy up, because this is always coming loose, this thing. That's really common on electric guitars, that this thing, you always need to tighten it up all the flipping time. I haven't got a sort of a spanner that's going to fit inside there. I can use a pair of pliers to get that as tight as I can. Okay, so I have no idea if this is going to work. I'm not entirely certain that I put the black wire on the thing it's supposed to go onto, or the white wire on the thing it's supposed to go onto. How much time have I got? 3 minutes. Oh my goodness. Alright, at risk of electrocuting myself, dare I? Oh! Something's burning out shite. Whoa, okay, shouldn't have left the soldering iron there because I've just partially burnt my guitar cable. But it hasn't gone through the plastic, so it's okay.
If you would like to support this channel, why not become a patron on Patreon? Follow the links below.
Hey, it's working again. Some of the pots and the switch is still quite crackly. That's another issue, but at least the guitar's working now. I can teach my guitar lesson. Yes! If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, like the video, leave a comment, and tell everyone you know who plays the guitar. Thanks for watching.
That's the way.